proud Igbo man. I am a very, very proud. I don't owe anybody apologies for being an Igbo man. No, I don't. Insist that we are proud people. When the Queen of England came to Nigeria in 1956, she was driven around Lagos in a Rolls Royce. But anyway, that Rolls Royce, Odubebuju Onyibo was the richest African then. Ijana Buckingham Palace, Igabebe say Queen. Imekwena kaka eji wee sie. Kedu onye solie Ben Enwom onye Onitsha. The first mathematician Nigeria produced, Dr. Chikobi onye Onitsha. Onye bụ computer wizard tata. Ndị America mana arapụ aka. Anyị chaji akwụkwọ na Zaria and onye Onitsha ka ọ bụ. The first person with a gold to Olympics bụ onye Igbo. Right? So I want to check if you very in the country. Didn't with the honor and pride to Nigeria and Abundi Igbo. So you can do anything you like to try to suppress them. You're wasting your time.
For the freedom of
because
people because of the persecution that we're facing.
Nothing. Mbosia Kembe is the biggest hotel in Lagos. I don't know if you are Ibonina, what are the it is God designed it like that. Uno company bata. Ana tweak on your check and then I tweak on the Anambra. There's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. God has designed it that way.